Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today. I have a really cool, interesting boat here behind me. It's Qwest 8522 splash pad. Has a really neat back end. Let's take a look at the exterior here real quick, and then we'll head on the inside. So we have the manus green paired with silver. Really cool black looking rail package here. Really sporty pontoon overall. Come on aboard, let me show you what this boat features on the inside. As we take our first steps in here, the external color package comes with you to the inside. Qwest makes all their furniture in-house, so this matches the exact outside of the boat and creates a really uniform look on this. It makes this boat really pop. We also feature some in-seat charging ports here, so you can plug your phone in. Any other devices that you want to use with the USB plugs in right here for you. Captain seat area, really nice as well. As you can see, we have two spaces for captain seats here and really comfortable seats here. We have the Clarion Bluetooth stereo as well as the Garmin fish finder, depth finder. This also tells you motor information on your higher horsepower outboard motors. This boat's going to be paired with a Suzuki outboard motor. But the most exciting part of this boat, obviously, is right here at the back. It is one of the best made chase lounge setups all across the pontoon boat industry. So as you can see, it makes nice bed space here, but these move and can create additional seating for you. So it's just simply picking these up, moving them to the middle. We create two seats there, come around to the other side, and it creates two additional seats here as well. So you can look front ways, look back ways, or create two booth style seats here on this boat. So really fun feature here, and it's inside the gate, so anyone can use this at any time when you're on the water. With anything we sell here at the Charles Mill Marina, a full mooring coverage included, delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio, an on-water demo from one of our trained staff members, as well as a full safety package to make sure your boating experience is great. If you think this is the boat for you, give us a call or text us at 419-368-5951. We'll see you soon.